Since 1889, Lysol is the leading disinfectant brand, innovating a long line of products that prevent germs from spreading. However, more often, sickness transmits directly from one person to the other, and most frequently among school children, spreading illness into their families and branching out further as the sickness cycle continues. Now, Lysol is taking a proactive step to stop sickness where it starts. Introducing Sneeze Tees, antimicrobial clothing for kids. Newly developed silver nanoparticle technology creates an invisible coating within the fabric, destroying germs on contact, preventing illness before it spreads. Whether sick or in perfect health, while wearing Sneeze Tees, children are protected from spreading and becoming sick. Sneeze Tees, Lysol's proactive solution for illness prevention. Keeps germs off your child's germs off others, and everyone's germs off you.